أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم إن الذين كفروا بآياتنا سوف نصليهم نارا كلما نضجت جلودهم بدلناهم جلودا غيرها ليذوقوا العذاب إن الله كان عزيزا حكيما. Dear friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Surah An-Nisa Ayat number 56 I have recited just now. In this ayat, Allah tells us about those people who are disbelievers and who disbelieved in the ayat of Allah. They have not accepted Islam, they have not accepted the prophethood of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and they have not accepted ayat of Allah, Holy Quran. So those people at the day of judgment, if they will die in this condition that they have not accepted ayat of Allah, so then they will go straightway into the hellfire, and where they will stay forever, and their skins will get so much punishment in the fire that when they will be totally burnt, Allah will replace them with other one, and this way their azab, their punishment will continue. We read this one, we will understand more better, inshallah. So Allah said, Innal lazina kafaru, indeed those people who disbelieved bi ayatina, our verses. Allah said, Innal lazina kafaru bi ayatina, indeed those people who disbelieved our verses. Sofa nuslihim naran, Sofa nuslihim nara. So we will derive them into the fire. Kullama nadijat juluduhum, Kullama nadijat juluduhum, when their body skins will become roasted. Nadijat, roasted. When their body skins will be roasted, baddalnahum, we will change, we will replace them, jaludan ghairaha, with other skins. Liyazuqul azab, so that they should taste the punishment continuously. Inna Allah, indeed Allah, kana azizan hakima, indeed Allah is almighty, all-wise. We read one time more. Allah said, Innal lazina kafaru bi ayatina sawfa nuslihim nara kullama nadijat jaluduhum baddalnahum jaludan ghairaha liyazuqul azab. Inna Allah kana azizan hakima. Indeed, those people who disbelieve in our verses, in our ayat, we will derive them into the fire. When their body skins will become roasted, we will replace them with an other skin, so that they may continue to taste the punishment. Indeed, Allah is almighty, all-wise. So Allah tells in this ayat that the people who refused to accept Islam, who denied to accept ayat of Allah, the Holy Quran, they deny that one, and they disbelieve in Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, they have never accepted Islam, if they will die in this condition, then what will happen to them? They will get punishment from Allah. So that punishment will be in the fire. They will be thrown in the fire. And in the fire, their skin, when it will be burnt, it will be roasted. So Allah will replace the skin with another, so that they should continue the punishment what they have so in the hell. So Maurice Bucaille, who has written the book Bible, Quran and Science, he was a French physician. He said, I am surgeon, and when I have read this ayat, then I shocked, because as a surgeon I know when a needle it is pinched into the skin, it makes pain there, and pain only stays in the skin. So pain never goes out of the skin. The pain only comes into the skin. So he said, I was shocked that Allah told this, and we understood just in our practice. When we became surgeon, we understood that when a needle it is pinched, the skin feel pains, and pain stay in the skin only. This way Allah said, we will replace the skin. It means skin will give the pain, and that pain will be too much. And when it will be burnt, the people will be burnt in the ashes of the fire in the hell. So, and they will have so much screaming there loudly. No one will come to save them there. And when their skin will be roasted completely, then this will be replaced with other skin, and their pain will continue, their screaming will continue, and no one will be in a position to save there also. This is the time only in this world. We have this time in this world, we have to look after ourselves and our deeds and our belief, our faith, and we have to study Islam. I'm telling this one to those people who disbelieve in Islam, who disbelieve in Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who disbelieve in Holy Quran. They have to come, learn, understand, do research, make their mind okay, understand, then they accept Islam, they make the life hereafter better. Otherwise, the day of judgment will be very hard for them, and they will be thrown in the hell, and there will be no one to help them also. Abdullah bin Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he revealed that Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the people who will be in the hell, their body will be so much big that their teeth, they will be so much big like the Uhud mountain, like this size they will be there. So much body will be so much big, and they will have so much big skin, too much long skin, and in one hadith it comes that the fatness of the skin will be about 40 to 42 inch, like this, too much. And these people, the Abdullah bin Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, he says that the skins of these people who will be in hell, that will be like white, like a paper, but when that will be burned down, it will become black. So then it will be replaced with white again, and this will continue, and they will feel the pain of that, and they will feel the punishment again and again. This way Allah said that kullama nadijat juluduhum baddalnahum. So when their skins will be roasted, we will baddalnahum jaludan ghairaha. Then we will replace it with other skins liyazukul azab, so that they should continue to taste the punishment. This is very important for those people also. They must understand and accept Islam. This is the golden chance in this world. But after closing eyes, then there is the punishment, and that is possible. We request Allah to save us from the punishment of the hell, and also make our life under the guidance of Quran and Sunnah every time, so that we should have a good face before you and before Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam at the day of judgment. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.